Shop at the supermarket.
Mew Mew, we're leaving for spring vacation tomorrow. Mom wants us to buy some things.
What are we going to buy?
Mom gave us a shopping list. Check it out. We have to buy these things.
Deli. What would you like on your hamburger? Bread and desserts. Some items are not bought yet. Snacks. Fruits and vegetables need to be weighed. Clothing. What kind of outfit and shoes would you like?
This outfit and this pair of shoes look nice.
You can try them on if you like.
I am all set. Thank you.
Hello, please put your items on the counter. How would you like to pay? What a pity! You almost got the event coupon. Next time, buy more items. Thank you very much.
What's our password?